morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of our 11 plus comprehension class. If everybody could ensure that you are on mute unless I ask you to unmute. And if you would like to contribute, pop your hand up in the reactions. I'll demonstrate it again. But my naughty cat is in the background there. Okay, there we go. So we pop our hands up and then we can lower our hands like so. So today we're going to look at, first of all, we're going to look at paraphrasing, and then we are going to look at analysing literary devices. So first of all, what is paraphrasing? Well, it's basically using your own words to restate or retell a story or an idea. So we're going to have a look at some examples, some extracts, and we're going to think, what is the key point in the text? And can you explain it in your own words? But we're just looking at the key points in the text. And then we're going to have a look at some multi-choice options. So we're going to decide which option best matches your own paraphrasing of the text. So let's have a look at the first passage. And I can see we already have some hands up. I'm presuming that you would like to read. So could we have Shreya, please? Could you read out the extract?
If you're a fitness walker, there is no need for a commute to a health club. Your neighborhood can be your health club. You don't need a lot of fancy equipment to get a good workout either. All you need is a well-designed pair of athletic shoes. This paragraph best... Oh, that's a question.
Lovely, thank you. A question here in the message, in the chat. Is paraphrasing like summarising in your own words? Yes, it is, pretty much. Thank you very much for that question. Okay, let's have a look at the options. So fitness walking is better form of exercise than weightlifting. A membership in a health club is a poor investment. Walking outdoors provides a better workout than walking indoors, or fitness walking is a convenient and valuable form of exercise. Poorly designed athletic shoes can cause major foot injuries. So I'll give you about a minute to have a look at the text again and choose your option. You can either write down or you can type your answer in the chat. It's up to you. Okay, the majority of you have got it correct. It is indeed D. Fitness walking is a convenient and valuable form of exercise. Okay, let's have a look at another excerpt. And could I have Spandan, please?
Mathematics allows us to expand our consciousness. Mathematics tells us about economic trends, patterns of disease, and growth of populations. Math is good at exposing the truth, but it can also perpetuate misunderstandings and untruths. Figures have the power to mislead people.
Thank you very much. So, which one is it? The paragraph best supports the statement that the study of mathematics is dangerous. Words are more truthful than figures. The study of mathematics is more important than other disciplines. The power of numbers is that they cannot lie. Figures are sometimes used to deceive people. I'll give you around about a minute. And the majority of you do have the correct answer. It is indeed E. Figures are used to deceive people. Not once does it say that the study of maths is dangerous. It just suggests that it could deceive people. And we know this because we've got this clue here, the word mislead people. Could I have Eileen, please? Oh, Eileen, is that, sorry.
Human technology developed from the first stone tools about 2.5 million years ago. In the beginning, the rate of development was slow. Hundreds and thousands of years passed without much change. Today, new technologies are reported daily on television and in newspapers.
Thank you very much. So this paragraph best supports the statement that stone tools were not really technology. Stone tools were in use for 2.5 million years. There is no way to know when stone tools first came into use. In today's world, new technologies are constantly being developed. None of the latest technologies are as significant as the development of stone tools. Again, around about a minute. And we have the suggestion that new technologies are reported daily on television and in newspapers, which indeed suggests that new technologies in today's world are constantly being developed. And pleased to see that pretty much everybody who answered said D. Okay, could we have, just looking to see who else has their hand up. Divine, please.
Reality TV shows will have an adverse effect on traditional dramas and comedies. As reality TV shows increase in popularity, networks exclusive will begin cancelling more traditional programs and replacing them with the latest in reality TV.
Thank you very much. And I must just point out that we have an Americanized spelling, cancelling. In British English, we do double L there, but it's an American quotation. Let's have a look at the options. Reality TV is low quality. Reality TV shows get the highest ratings. More and more people love to watch and participate in reality TV. As reality TV gets more popular, more traditional television shows may be threatened. Network executives make hasty and unwise decisions. Let's have a look at those options again, around about a minute. Oh, fantastic, everybody. It is indeed D. As reality TV gets more popular, more traditional television shows may be threatened. And here is where we've got the clue there. We've got the introduction to the context about reality TV, and that traditional programs will be perhaps cancelled, therefore